Welcome to NSA South Potomac. We're very proud of how we bring our military and civilian personnel together, as well as local counties on both sides of Potomac together to form a community. NSA South Potomac has oversight of two geographically separate locations, Naval Support Facility Indian Head in Maryland and Naval Support Facility Dahlgren in Virginia. Between these two bases, NSA South Potomac serves as host to more than 24 DoD, Joint, and Navy-supported commands and tenant activities. NSA South Potomac provides management functions for all land, buildings, and support services at our two installations. We also support more than 200 military families living on base and in the community. Some of our major tenant commands include the Naval Surface Warfare Center, Dahlgren Division, and the Aegis Training and Readiness Center. What makes NSA South Potomac special? Every gun barrel that goes on a Navy ship is tested right here at NSF Dahlgren, on the only fully instrumented, over-the-water test range in the Navy. Thanks for stopping by NSA South Potomac, where innovative solutions are created and warfighters are born and bred.